Hey, this is Croc with SouthWest Nissan. I'm here to show you the brand new 2023 Nissan Kicks. This is one of my favorite vehicles on our lot. It is actually loaded for a great price. This bad boy is under $28 with all the Nissan Safety Shield features and a lot of amenities, including leatherette seating, heated seats, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and many other great fun features to make this car not only fuel efficient, but fun and comfortable to drive, and easy on your pocketbook. So, I say that it's great fuel efficiency. This car has a very powerful, small, but mighty 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, giving you just enough power to ride on the highway, get your cruising speeds, keep you at 36 highway, 31 city, and an average of 33 miles to the gallon, which, you know, gas prices these days, you're looking at $3. You can actually fill this guy up for around, you know, depending on where you go, between $25 to $30, and you can get up to 400 miles before having to refill it again. Gonna bring you over to these beautiful LED headlights, trimmed with this nice chrome V-motion grille, bring you down to the fog lights. Very nice subcompact. This is called Sunburst Orange Metallic. The SR Premium comes with 2 choices of rims. If you don't like the blackout, we do have a very beautiful regular alloy as well. Now I'm going to bring you to my favorite part of this car. Dark nights, all this, sometimes it's hard to see. We have built-in ground effect lights. The vehicle on the inside also has some ambient lighting, you know, give you some cool looks. Beautiful leatherette interior with 2-tone gray, silver, and beautiful orange and red stitching. This car is built for everyone. I'm 6'1", very comfortable for even me to drive.
We're delivering that, huh?
The back seat has plenty of room for those who need to drive it. We actually even have 2 charging ports in the back to keep your kids and your passengers plugged in at all times, so nobody has to worry about it dying. So, with the SR Premium Kicks, you will get a full Bose sound system, including a one-of-a-kind, only exclusive to Kicks, Bose headrest speakers to give you a full, authentic stadium sound and feel. Bring you back, while the car might be small, we have an amazingly large hatchback. Your back seats can fold down flat completely and give you even more cargo space for it. All of my Nissans will come with your Nissan Safety Shield 360, which is going to provide you with your fronting collision braking with pedestrian detection, rear assisted braking, automatic headlights, automatic high beams as well. You also get your backup cameras and many other safety features that come exclusive to your Nissan 360 Safety Shield. Once again, this is the 23 Nissan Kicks. My name is Crockett. I'm here at the wonderful store of SouthWest Nissan, located at 3050 Fort Worth Highway, Weatherford, Texas, 76087. Drop me a line, call us at any time at 817-565-1116.